So, of course, stimulants are our central nervous system energizers, including caffeine, amphetamines, and cocaine. There's some interesting writing in this edition of the text about caffeine and energy drinks. Energy drinks are now a $1 billion industry, and they typically have 80 to 150 milligrams of caffeine, as well as sweeteners and other energy boosting additives. And frequent consumption of energy drinks can produce caffeine intoxication, as well as tolerance and withdrawal, which, as you might recall, are the hallmarks of dependence. Similarly, heavy consumption of energy drinks has been associated with new onset seizures in some individuals. And so caffeine is that stimulant that's found in coffee, chocolate, tea, and soft drinks. It's the most widely consumed psychoactive substance in the world. 90% of adults in the United States or in North America use it daily. We do have a dramatic increase in ER visits due to energy drinks, especially when they're combined with alcohol or other drugs. Another class of stimulants are amphetamines or uppers. Prescription amphetamines are used to treat sleep disorders like Ritalin and Dexedrine, and are increasingly used illicitly, especially among white adolescents and young adults. In individuals who inject their amphetamines or use them intravenously or snort them, addiction is more common. And agitation and assaultive or suicidal behaviors can occur as well. Cocaine is extracted from the coca plant, and it is a stimulant, and it also produces euphoria. There's a high potential for addiction, with 20% of users becoming addicted. And users, because of the lethargy and depression of withdrawal, users often take multiple doses in rapid succession. And then crack is a much cheaper form of cocaine, so it has that benefit, but the effects of it are much shorter lived. In general, cocaine causes a constant desire for more cocaine that can impair social and occupational functioning. So researchers have experimented with a vaccine called TACD, and the vaccine includes an antibody which prevents cocaine from reaching the brain and producing any pleasurable effects. So the problem with this is that people get the vaccine and then they just take massive doses of cocaine to try to get the same effect. So, and medical students are actually a high-risk population for illicit stimulant use, including ADHD medication like Adderall.